In hot press production, mold handling and changeover directly affect equipment uptime, production rhythm, and workplace safety. To improve efficiency and stability, AiTEN developed an intelligent mold changeover solution, connecting hot press machines, mold racks, and cleaning machines into one automated workflow. Operators simply assign tasks through the system. The robot then automatically completes mold picking, transport, positioning, and docking. The system can also work with transfer robots to assist with mold screw loosening and tightening, enabling a smoother and more continuous changeover process. By reducing manual handling and high-risk lifting operations, the solution improves safety, shortens changeover downtime, and increases hot press machine utilization. From mold handling to precise docking, from manual experience to standardized operation, from standalone equipment to system collaboration, AiTEN helps customers build a safer, faster, and more stable, intelligent mold changeover site.